Hi stylers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Renee and I share everything in home decor and DIY each week. Now last week I shared with you some unpopular home decor stores that nobody talks about in Jamaica. This week I will be sharing with you the popular home decor stores that is on everybody's lip if they need something for the home. So let's get right into the first place, and this one is Azan Super Center. Now Azan Super Center is one of those places if you need accessories, candles, light, a little lighting and so on, rugs, kitchen, cups, mugs, plate, anything for the home, you can get it there. So Azan is one of those places that most persons would turn to if they need something for the home in terms of organizations and so on. And since that I mentioned Azan, the next place that you can visit is Bashko. Bashko is similar to Azan, where you can get your home decor, wall arts, frames, lighting, plates, cup, mugs, dish towel, shelving, pots and pans, anything for the home. In that case you can get from Bashko. Another place that you can shop nice home decor decorative pieces is Maxi. Now I do multiple video on Maxi. Maxi, you can get your decorative candles, lamps, you can get accessories, you can get vase, you can get so many things there. You can get shower curtains, pillows, cushions, you can get shelving, bathroom caddies, mirrors. They have a lot of decorative pieces. So if you're looking for something on the affordable side with the glam side, Maxi is one of those places. Click the link in the description as well so you can see the home decor pieces that Maxi's have if you haven't been there for a while. So Dunn's Electrical is another place where you can head on over if you're looking for nice home decor pieces, lighting. They have furniture pieces as well, bedding, dining table, sofa. Their furniture pieces are a bit on the higher end, so if you're working on a budget, it's one of those places that you know you'd have to splurge on. So head on over to Dunn's Electrical where you can get quality pieces as well. True Value is one of those places I have to include in this. True Values have a lot of trendy items. They have organization items, they have flowers, they have pots, they have shelving. They are great on a lot of home decor organizing. You can get your bathroom mats, you can get patio set, they have paints, they have lighting, they have a lot of items that you will love. So True Value is one of those places if you're looking for pieces just to enhance your space. Head on over to them. I did a video at True Value as well. You can go in the description below if you haven't been there for a while and just to see some of the items that True Value have. Another place that you can visit home decor items, great on vases and so on. I did a video on that recently, is Fontana. Now Fontana has a whole floor with home decor items, vase, cushions, wall arts, mirrors, candles, plates, pots, spoon. Fontana, you need to visit them if you're searching for home decor pieces. I did a nice video with Fontana home accessories as well, their floral arrangement and so on. Please head on over to them so that you can get a bit of ideas as to what they sell. You can visit Kemlani Mart. They sell affordable furniture pieces. I know they always have sale on some items. I don't know if the quality is 100%, but it's one of those places that is very popular in Jamaica. Most of those Indian locations as well, you can get furniture pieces from there. Another popular place that most person would turn to if they're looking for furniture pieces and so on would be Quartz Jamaica Limited. Now Quartz Jamaica is one of those stores that most person would turn to if they need furniture pieces or appliances for the home. They are great in furniture such as sofas, dining tables, bedding, bed frames, appliances and so on. They are one of the leading furniture companies in Jamaica, and since I mentioned Quartz Jamaica, it's only fair I mention their sister store which is under the Unicoma umbrella as well, which is Lucky Dollar. Now as their slogan says, you can't go wrong with Lucky Dollar. Lucky Dollar is one of those places if you're looking for affordable furniture pieces, bedding, locally made furniture as well, you can get it there. They have good payment plans such as layaway plan where you can let the items stay at the store, you pay down on it, when you finish pay, collect it, and you still get the cash price. They have hire purchase as well, where you get the item, pay a monthly payment based on how many months you take it out for. You can do like a 3 months plan up to a 3-year plan. Also, Lucky Dollar do like curtains and smaller appliances as well, such as toasters, toaster oven, blender, pressure cooker. So as they mentioned, you can't go wrong at Lucky Dollar. You can get your small items there as well. And their customer service is friendly, they are down to earth, and they let you feel welcome. Thank you again for watching this video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a video. Please comment down below which popular store I missed and which store you think is not so popular. And if you haven't seen the last video on my unpopular store, please click the link right here so that you get to watch that video.